Alright, this is a flex fuel kit on GL550 is this car, but it's the same pretty much for any M272 or 273 engines. The V6 or the V8, they both pretty much are the same engine, but seems to work pretty good currently. Ended up just having the flex fuel sensor right there, right off the rail. Kind of gets sandwiched by the air intake. And then, yeah, overall I run up to full E85 depending on what's available. And yeah, everything works as it should. Well, we'll see if we can do a long-term review on it, but it really it works as it should for now, but it's brand new install. And it does take some time to get this wiring. You want to make sure this sits underneath the air intake, doesn't like prevent it from closing or anything. So it's all tucked pretty nicely. It takes some time, but it's super easy to install. You just, connect your injector wires, ground on this side, plug into the box, tap the fuel rail. That's really it. So, all right. So in my area right now, this is what we're looking at for prices. So $249 for E85 and $469 for 93. So we just filled up on 23 gallons. We'll do some math and see how much we're saving.